Starting your own travel agent website is an exciting way to share your love of travel and help people plan their dream vacations. With the right tools and a clear plan, you can create a website that attracts clients and grows your business. In this video, we'll be walking you through the essential steps that you need to take in order to make your travel agent website a reality. So without further ado, let's get into it. The first thing we'll be doing is defining our niche. Before you start building your travel agent website, you need to define your niche. Specializing in a specific type of travel will help you stand out from the competition. Defining your niche allows you to tailor your services and content to attract your ideal clients. So for the action steps here, the first thing we want to do is research different travel niches to find the one that excites you. Consider what type of clients you want to work with, whether that's travelers, solo people, couples, or families. Make sure to focus on the services you're most passionate about, whether it's creating personalized itineraries or booking group tours. The next thing we're going to do is choose a domain name and a hosting name. Once you've identified your niche, the next step is to choose a domain name and a secure web hosting platform. Your domain name should be simple, memorable, and reflect your travel services. Ideally, it should include keywords related to travel or your specific niche. For web hosting, select a provider that provides reliable uptime, fast loading speeds, and easy to use website building tools. Hostinger, for example, is a great option for beginners, offering affordable plans and excellent customer service. Now that we've talked a little bit about that, let's actually show you how to get started with Hostinger and get started with your very first website domain and hosting platform. The first thing you guys are going to want to do is head down to the link down in the description box below. Once you click that link, you'll be taken to this page here. This is Hostinger's starting page. As you can see, when you use that link, you're going to get up to 75% off web hosting plus access to their built-in website builder. That means you're going to get a free domain, free website migration, and 24/7 customer support. You'll get access to all this for only $2.99 a month, plus 2 extra free months on top of that, depending on the plan that you choose. All we have to do now is hit the Start Now button, which will then take us to the pricing tiers. They have a premium pricing tier, a business pricing tier, and a cloud startup plan pricing tier. For their premium tier, it's going to be about $2.99 a month. For their business tier, about $3.99 a month. And for their cloud startup plan, $7.99 a month. Each of these plans have their own benefits and features that we'll discuss in this video. As you can see, for their premium option, we get a ton of awesome features if you're just getting started and want to dip your toes in. If you're somebody who knows you're ready to get started with building your travel website, the business plan might be the best option. Also, this is their most popular plan. And if you're an already existing business and you want to migrate over to their platform, having the cloud starter plan is a pretty awesome option. Now, for the sake of this video, we want access to all the different features that they have at their disposal, so we'll go ahead and get started with the business plan. Once we click the choose plan button, it will then take us to the checkout page. On the checkout page, we're going to be walked through a couple of different steps. The first of these is checking our order. This will include things like picking the payment period and figuring out how much money we want to save. As you can see, we will save the most amount of money if we go with this 48-month option, which has 2 months free. For only $3.99, this is a pretty good deal. Also, we're going to get access to that free domain for our very first year. Once we've selected our order period, we're then going to create a quick account. We can do this with either Google or use an email address and a password. Once we've gone about that, we can then select our payment method. We have the option to choose from either credit cards, PayPal, Google Pay, Apple Pay, or even Alipay. As you can see here, this is a complete breakdown of what we're purchasing and everything we're getting with it. We're also then going to be entering in our first name, last name, phone number, country of residence, our state, city, street address, and zip code. And then this is one of the most important parts. Make sure to click on the have a coupon code ? And then enter in the coupon code my first website, all capitals, no spaces, and hit the apply button. Once you hit that apply button, that will apply that coupon and you'll get an even bigger discount on top of that. Once we enter in our credit card details here, we'll then hit submit secure payment and we're ready to get started with Hostinger. Now, once you guys are inside of Hostinger, this is what it's going to look like. As you can see here, this is the homepage. You're going to be able to see a couple of different things here: pending payments for different websites, widgets that you can add, and your hosting plans, your domains, and your email. Now, we're going to show you how to build a website. So we'll head over to the left here and click on the websites tab. Once we're inside of the websites tab, we have a bunch of different options that we can choose from. The first thing we want to do, because this is what's going to be actually on your screen, is hit the plus button that says add website. You guys aren't going to have any of this other stuff on your screen because you just got started. Once we hit the add website button, a drop down will appear with a couple of different options. We can choose between creating a WordPress website, a Hostinger website builder, or have an empty PHP or HTML website. For the sake of this video, we're going to use Hostinger's built-in AI powered website builder. We'll click on that option, which will then take us to this page. Once we get to this page, as you can see, it says welcome to Hostinger's website builder, and then says let AI create your website in minutes. We'll click the start creating button, and then we simply have to click our website type. There's a drop down with a few different things that we can choose from. We'll go ahead and pick other because we're creating a travel agent website. Once we click other, we'll then do a brand name. We can call this just about anything, but I'm going to just say that this is a travel website for tropics or something along those lines. We'll then give a quick description. We can say something like, we are a travel agent website helping people plan trips to the tropics. Once we have this typed out, we then can even personalize this even more by having a color palette that we can add, or we can say surprise me. I personally like this color palette and this all looks good. We can even add a few more details up here and say that we focus on married couples honeymoons, just to give some more details. Once we have all this selected, we'll then hit the create website button. Once we hit the create website button, it will take a few minutes to load everything up and build everything properly. Once it's all loaded up, we can start making changes. And just like that, boom, we are inside of our website. As you can see here, most of the building is already done. Dream honeymoons in tropical paradise. This looks really, really good. They've given us all ready to work with a banner, plus a actual rating system down here, and the explore button that we can click to explore other parts of the website. Really, all we have to do now is make some minor tweaks and adjustments to make this website our own. The first thing we'll do is head up to the top right here and click on the edit site button. Once we click on that, we now officially have the ability to edit any part of the site that we want. On the left side here, we have a couple of different options that we can choose from. We can either add a new element, we can have the pages and navigation option, we have website styles, and we have AI tools. If we want to edit anything on the website itself, it's as easy as clicking into the actual box itself and simply change anything we wanted to say here. So if we want to change this text, we could say the actual name of our company, which let's just say it's Travel Agent Tropics. And just like that, we have a new text box with new text inside of it. We can also change things like the font or the size of the font with these simple drop downs here. There's also the ability to change the actual section itself, which is displayed in this little blue button down here. We simply click the blue plus button, which will then take us here where we can generate a completely new section or add a blank section that we can customize personally. I'm going to go ahead and pick any of these here. Most of these will do, but we'll go ahead and click this one here. As you can see, easily adds a section into our website that we can start making changes to on the fly. There's also the ability to click this button, which allows us to generate an image. This can be super helpful if you're somebody who doesn't have a lot of stock photos or built-in graphics for your brand already. We'll go ahead and click the generate image option and see what we can do. We can generate just about anything, but let's generate a tropic beach and then hit the enter button and create images. Oh, they might need a little bit more details here. So we'll say tropic beach, palm trees, and then we can create the image. It'll take a few seconds to load everything up, but once it's loaded, we can pick from a variety of different images that they generate for us. This is one of their most powerful tools. As you can see here, it's officially generated a palm tree on the beach image, which we could use as a background image. Look how good that looks. Also, if you want to edit any of the buttons up here, we simply can once again click into the section and click on these to get more options for what we want to do. We can replace the image here by clicking into the logo icon or change around some of the elements or the layout of the logo itself. And once again, most of this is pretty intuitive, guys. It's drag and drop and fully customizable, meaning that you don't have to worry that if you pick the wrong theme or if the AI doesn't do a good enough job of creating the website for you, you can start changing things on the fly. One of the most important things about building a travel website too is creating a scheduling page. This means that people can schedule appointments with you and you can start collecting money for helping them plan their vacation. One of the easiest ways to do this is to go to the add sections button and then scroll over to the left here and start looking around for that specific form. Now we can do a couple of things here. We can either do a contact form or we could even embed a calendar link so people can book appointments, which is all very easy to do inside of their editor. And that's pretty much it, guys. Building a travel website has never been easier, thanks to amazing tools like Hostinger and the other tools that are out there available to you. If you guys are curious about getting started with Hostinger for as cheap as possible, make sure to use the link down in the description box below. It's going to be how you're going to get access to an awesome discount in the process. And of course, make sure to use code MyFirstWebsite, all capitals, no spaces, at checkout for an even bigger discount. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure to leave a like and subscribe so you never miss any of our future videos. And I can't wait to see you guys out there in the travel agent websites that you guys end up building. Take it easy.